And welcome back to another video of Coffee and Stocks. In today's video, we obviously are going to talk about why some of the stocks is kind of selling off. But before we get started, can I please ask you guys to drop a like on this video, as well as press that amazing subscribe button. As always, you guys make this channel amazing, and you guys really support this channel. So I do thank every single one of you guys. So I thank you ahead of time. Thank you very much. Anyway, so let's get started on one of the stocks that I do currently own by myself. Obviously, I am not a financial advisor, so please do not take my words as advice. I do want to talk about a CCIV currently going for $19.17. Yes, I know this has had a sell-off of 18% in the last week. It has gotten 21% in the last 6 weeks, and then in the past month, and in the past 6 months, it has gone from the highest of $57 all the way down to 19, which is about, what is that sell off? 66.59%. Now, a lot of you people might say that this is not a good investment. Well, let me tell you guys something. I think, anything above $15 is a great investment. I mean, I personally bought more today under $20 because I do believe CCIV, when it turns into Lucid and all that stuff, will explode to the upside again. Now, I do understand 100% that Churchill Capital Corp is facing around half a dozen lawsuits on how it handled disclosures in the run-up to the much anticipated merger DA with Lucid Motors. I mean, I get it. It is not going through a very good phase right now. But if you think about it this way, I mean, it's going for $19. It is a perfect opportunity for a lot of people who didn't and weren't able to join in this company when it was going for $30-40. This is a perfect time for you guys to join. Now, I will say this, take it with a grain of salt. I did talk about this company when it was going back for around $23, and I said it was gonna go up. Yes, I totally messed up, but think about it. Well, obviously I didn't know about the lawsuits, but think about this, $19 for such a good company. It's literally telling you guys big money. Buy some, hold it, and enjoy the long run. This is definitely something for the long run, obviously, right? Another company that I do want to talk about is Crystal Pharma Inc., or with the ticker symbol of COCP. Currently going for $2.14. And now it isn't a bad company. I will say this, it isn't a bad company. It did go from $1.19 all the way to a shoot up of 166% to the upside to around $3.17. Ever since that, which was today midday or something like that. Yeah. It did go back down to around $2.14. So congratulations to all those people who were able to get these gains. Now, I do believe that this company will stay above a $2 mark, maybe hit that $3 mark again. And the reason why I say this is because Crystal Pharma stock gains after laying out plans to launch another COVID-19 antiviral candidate. Now, I understand a lot of people saying that the vaccines are already out, and the vaccines, people have already been vaccinated and blah 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 and blah blah blah. COVID-19 is still a big topic to talk about, right? Just because a lot of people in the US have been vaccinated doesn't mean that others in other countries have not been vaccinated. This is definitely something to look into. Now, anything that is a penny stock that runs under $2 or that runs under $3 is and will have a lot of volatility. So disclaimer, please be careful when investing in such companies like this, because you can lose a lot of money if you don't really do your homework. Obviously, go do your homework. Third and not least, the one I do want to talk about is Skillz company, an online mobile multiplayer video game competition platform that is integrated into a number of iOS and Android games. Blah blah blah. Currently going for $16.96. Really good. In the past week, yes, it's gotten down around 17% or around 15% if you. That's in the past week. It did come up from $12.55 on Tuesday last week. So that is pretty interesting to see. It has come up from the $43 mark all the way down to 71% discount. So that is something very, very alarming. But something that looks really, really good is that today this was released. Skillz reports record Q1 revenue and raises 2021 guidance. First quarter revenue hits of 84 million, up 92% year over year. Paying monthly active users growth 81% year over year, and it raises full year 2021 revenue guidance to $375 million. Another huge thing is that it has cash on balance sheet of $613 million and no debt at the end of the first quarter of 2021. Guys, this company is coming back to life. It is amazing how much money these people have, how much they've increased. It is screaming, I am coming back to the $40 mark. I mean, come on. Even if they go back to the $30 mark, that is huge, huge, huge increase, huge money for everyone who invests in that company. Yes, it did start off really good today, then it dropped off again to $16. Volatility, I want to say, is there. The market cap is pretty high at 6.71 billion, so it does give me quite a bit of good news to me. I don't hold any Skillz shares right now, but I am gonna buy some in the near future, maybe this week, and I will have that in my portfolio, which I'm really excited for. Now lastly, the reason why some of these tech stocks have been selling off was because Yellen was saying that rates may have to rise to prevent overheating. A lot of these people are panicking. When people panic, they sell. And when people sell, the market goes down. So unfortunately, she is saying that interest rates might have to go up in order for us, in order for inflation to not get crazy, in order for overheating to not happen and all that. But I do strongly disagree with her. Unfortunately, this is just her opinion. She doesn't say that it's happening right now, but she's saying it might happen. We don't know what is going on. So people just took this to heart and they started selling like crazy. That's why some of these stocks today have been in the negative. But please, please, please don't forget, when something dips, buy the dip. Why? Because you are average cost your dollars, average cost your shares. Make sure it goes down. You don't want to buy shares that are crazy high. Therefore, buy them when they're lower. What do they always say? Buy low, sell high. Practice that. Also practice profit taking. Anyways, thank you for staying tuned to Coffee and Stocks. Don't forget to drop a like on this video, as well as press the notification subscribe button. I do thank every single one of you guys. I do love every single one of you guys. You guys support this channel, and I thank you very much. If you guys want to hear anything else, don't forget to comment down below, and I will see you guys next time on Coffee and Stocks.